Hello students, I am your computer teacher Pankaj Kumar and this is the video of class 8 chapter number 2, that is spreadsheet formulas and functions. So in this video I am going to discuss the following points in this week. Okay, so first let us come to the first topic, introduction to spreadsheet. What is a spreadsheet? A spreadsheet is a computer application used for organizing, analyzing, and storing and manipulating data in tabular form. Actually, it is used to store the record of large data. Now, another question is what is Microsoft Excel? So, Microsoft Excel is an electronic spreadsheet application software. It is used to quickly record and manipulate large amount of numerical data and convert it into useful and meaningful information. Now, here is 2 points: data and information. What is the difference between data and information? So, when we call data means raw facts and figure, okay, it has no meaning, but information means it has some meaning. So when we call that, when we say Aman 46 and Patna, so this is a data, it has no meaning, okay, but when we say that Aman whose age is 46 years lives in Patna, so the same data has some type of meaning, okay, so this is termed as information. And another point of Excel is MS Excel is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft for Windows, Mac OS, Android and iOS. Mac OS is an operating system which is used in Apple laptop. iOS is also an operating system which is used in iPhones. Okay, and Android for mobiles, in Samsung mobile, in Redmi, Realme, all have Android operating system, and Windows operating system is used in our laptop, desktop, etc. So now come to the third point, another topic, that is formula and elements of a formula. What is a formula in MS Excel? A formula is a user-defined expression that can include self-references, letters, numbers, arithmetic operators, and parentheses, which helps us to perform calculation in a worksheet. So, and there are basically two types of formula. One is basic formula and another is compound formula. I will come to this topic later. First, coming to the topic elements of a formula. First is cell reference. What is cell reference? They are the address of the cell that contain values to be used in calculation. I will show you with the example. Suppose I have 1 minute. Yes, suppose I have selected this cell and I have written this formula. Okay, so I have written equal to B2 plus C2 plus D2. So after writing this formula, these cells will be selected: cell number B2, cell number C2 and cell number D2, which I have written in the formula bar. All the cells will be selected. So these are called cell range, cell reference. These are called cell reference because in the total I am going to find the total of B2, C2 and D2. All the three numbers will be calculated in this cell, in the cell E2. Okay, that's why the cell reference in this case is this one, B2, C2 and D2. All the three cells are known as cell reference in this case. So after writing the formula, we have to press enter and your result will be here. Okay, so in this way we use the formula in MS Excel, and which you have seen here, all the three cells were selected at that time, so this is known as cell reference. Now coming to the next point, operators. Operators specify the type of operation which we want to perform. Some commonly used operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, combination. So these are all operators in MS Excel which is useful for doing mathematical calculation. Now third one is constant. Constants are the numbers or text which constants are the numbers or text values that can be entered directly in a formula, such as we can give the examples 10. 10 is a constant. We can give another example like we can say name of any person, Amit, Rahul. So these all are constants. Okay, because constants are the numbers or text values that can be entered directly in a formula. Okay, now coming to the last, that is function. Functions are predefined formulas in MS Excel. Functions have some kind of work and which is predefined formula in MS Excel, which is used to find out the calculation in easy way. Okay, now coming to the another topic, that is formula. So I have already told you that a formula is a user defined expression that can include cell references, letters, numbers, arithmetic operators and parentheses, which is helpful in calculating the mathematical operation in worksheet. So there are basically two types of formula in MS Excel. One is basic formula and another is compound formula. What is a basic formula? Basic formula contains only one mathematical operation. Like in this example, I have written the formula equal to a2 plus a3 plus a4. So in this formula only one type of operator, that is plus operator, is used, while in compound formula it has more than one mathematical operation. Example, I have written equal to under bracket a2 into a3. This star sign is known as multiplication sign in MS Excel. Okay, so in computer we assign the multiplication sign by this star. So this is the first operator and plus sign here is the second operator. So there are two operators in the formula bar in the compound formula.